After over 6 hours of soaking in water, it's time to check on the pieces. Stevenswood brand melamine, ballooned out to almost an inch, 15/16. This Prism brand melamine, ballooned out to 15/16 at the bottom, almost 7/8 at the middle here. This white melamine, ballooned out to inch at the bottom, 13/16 at the middle. This American laminates, ballooned out to 7/8 at the bottom and 13/16 in the middle. It almost held pretty true. And here is the Salt International. Stayed pretty true there, but it ballooned out to 7/8 at the bottom.